Hi friends! I'm so happy you stopped by today. We're making the most delicious, wholesome green patties right in the air fryer. Start with one medium zucchini and slice it however you like. This season, I've been reaching for zucchini more than any other vegetable. It's loaded with antioxidants and vitamins. And for me, food should be not just tasty, but truly good for you. Next, grab a red onion. Cut it into medium chunks. I really love red onion for its mild sweetness and vibrant color. Then take 4 cloves of garlic. Slice them nice and thin. Chop 30 grams of fresh parsley. This herb will add a nice, light aroma to the patties. Now, cut some leek into small pieces. I just love leek for its gentle, slightly sweet flavor. If you'd like to support what I do, please like this video and hit subscribe. Put all the chopped veggies and herbs into your blender bowl. Make sure the blender bowl is large enough to hold all the ingredients. Add 50 grams of fresh spinach. Blend until everything comes together nice and smooth. Transfer it to a deep mixing bowl. Add 50 grams of rolled oats. Then 40 grams of wheat flour. Crack in 1 egg and give it a good mix. If you don't eat eggs, just skip this step. It'll still turn out beautifully, I promise. Add 100 grams of cooked or canned corn. And finally, 80 grams of your favorite grated cheese. We may never meet again, so make sure to subscribe so you won't lose me. Season with salt to taste. Add black pepper. Sprinkle over some dried oregano. Add a pinch of cumin or any spices you love. Mix everything well. Tell me in the comments where you're watching from and which veggie dishes you love most. I'd really love to know. Shape the mixture into medium-sized patties. Lay them out on parchment paper. Look how neat and pretty they are. Let me know if you try this healthy, simple recipe at home. Time to bake in the air fryer. Set it to 180 degrees Celsius, 355 degrees Fahrenheit, and cook for 20 minutes. Take out the perfectly baked patties. Wow! Just look at them. And that smell, incredible. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't lose me. It's been such a joy cooking with you today. See you in the next video.